Guten Tag, wir haben ein Fokker DR1 Dreidecker Model besetzt. Es ist da. And that's as much German as I can remember saying. So, hello, we got a Fokker Triplane to show you by Revell. It's a model kit. And it's of the famous Red Baron, the Van Richthofen himself. So saving some people, it's a new toolkit, but even so, they keep into the level where they actually have the plastic red, so you don't have to paint it. I'm going to paint it though, once I get the right colour red, which, as you know, I'm always very specific about. It's been retooled, and I think that's going to be a good thing. It's got not many decals to show, because in World War I, the Great War, which wasn't great for anybody who had to fight it, they I got to pick them here. Anyway, it shows you different examples of once he and his friends flew. There's a little decal here, which just shows the black cross of the Kaiser's Air Force. All the nastiness, just the empires of the days arguing for domination of Europe, and turned out a bit of a fun fight, didn't it, to say the least. A lot of people killed for pretty much spurious reasons, but there we are. I'm not a historian, so I won't get into the ins and outs of why it started. So I'm born in ostrich, being a hungry ostrich, as they say on Blackadder. Yeah, the usual Revell diagrams. A nice little explanation of where the rigging goes, where there is rigging, and the various parts where not to glue. And again, there's some rigging instructions there for the flying surfaces and control surfaces, and under the undercarriage. Lots of rigging detail, but the kit itself is red. What can I say? It's a bit of a not discouraging, distracting colour for a kit to have. I'm going to spray it with grey primer anyway, and I'll be able to see things better then, I think, before I paint it red. But size of my finger, that shows how big the fuselage is, plus the engine. Nice detailed engine there. And being a triplane, you've got 3 thin wings. 1, 2, 3. There, and there. There. And a little seat there. And a wooden effect. Can't focus quick enough. Little bottom of the cockpit. Various struts, guns, control columns, bits and bobs, main propeller, a flying surface for the between the wheels being here, and a little tiny tail fin, the tail rudder, but a big elevators. So it's everything you would expect. Little recessed panel lines. No more, no less than you need to make a nice little model of a Fokker DR1. And so there we are. A new tool, triplane, Dreidecker from Revell. No, what can you say more than that? It's going to be part of my World War I section department. Alright, thanks for watching, and speak to you again in English probably next time, or Swedish, or Rubbish, one of the ishes. Ta-da.